Okay, so welcome to the Teach Yourself. So learn to teach ourselves. Review my syntax, the XCombat lesson. Okay, so our lesson today is how to install Joomla. Okay, so what I did here, I downloaded Joomla, and this is the one. Then I unzip it here. This is the one. This is the one. 5.22. And I run the zip extract here, extract to Joomla package. This is it. These are the files. Okay, so I'm going to rename that. I'm going to rename this. And what's my WordPress installation? They are almost the same. Okay, so then now I'm going to cut this and put on my C drive to our www, and paste it here, and you have to edit your HTTP DCOM, enable extra Joomla configuration, and just follow the Joomla configuration here. Okay, so that is in Apache. Okay, so then restart your server. This one, restart your server, Apache. Okay, so then we transfer here the Joomla, and we're going to run the installation. Okay, and let's try to open our server here, and this is what. Okay, so let's start from here, and let's try localhost 5555. Going to type here localhost 5555 plus Joomla. Okay. Start our server. Start. See. Enter. Joomla library framework. So Joom compat line 3. Okay, let's close all tab. Other tabs. And there's an error here. Okay. Vendor Gazelle HTTP. So let's try in Vendor Gazelle HTTP. So there is here vendor. Joomla libraries, vendor Gazelle HTTP. So we go to Joomla. I'll do this. Vendor. Glass of HTTP. It's under promises source function from PHP. Promises source function PHP. So my regex promise from PHP function PHP, and I create my query here. Find next, and you can see find the callable, replace, automatic, replace, current document. Because sometimes there is already a question mark, so I do not want to make it double. Sometimes there is already, see, there is sometimes there are no more. Okay, save. Because there are some already with a question mark in their vendor, so if I click replace all, there should be become double like this, so very hard to run one time the code. Okay, so let's try to replace this. So there's no more, it should be no more functions. Error. Pinch code 285. Let's try start on top. Control home. Fine. What is the error in 24? Control G. This is the one. So this one is not included in our option. I'm going to add here. So next time it should be like that. Replace. Okay, so find. Oh no, you can find that. Replace. Try to find, and it was replaced. Okay. So find next. What's the other error? 285. 285. Find callable, find next, it should be there, and replace. Okay, done. So that's the function of the regex. Okay, so as you can see, it can replace and return only the word. Replace. There is a tree group here. I explained it already in my regex, so you have to watch that one. You have to watch my regex command, and as you can see, once we refresh it, there's no more function there. Now in UTF-8 here, under vendor Boko portable UTF-8 Boko helper, seems they did not update the vendor code. So vendor Boko. try to copy this. It's very hard sometimes to remember the page. So you put here on top just for the reference, and later on we delete. Okay. So Joomla library vendor Boku. Joomla libraries. Joomla vendor Boku. Okay. Portable UTF-8 source Boku helper UTF-8. So this is the one. Okay, so how many thousand files is that? So it's how many thousand files? Wow, 14,098 code. And this one we have to delete this, otherwise there is an error in our program. So we are done in this function. And now here we're going to run now, Control F and replace all. Okay, so it's done. So it's selecting all. We'll see how many. We're going to do it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 35 replacement. So that's how powerful is the regex. So then after that, save. Control S, save. And no need to do it all one by one. You then let's try to refresh. No more UTF-8 error. Maybe. If there is UTF-8 error still, maybe there are some would with ampersand. I did not include it. Okay, so this is the result after that. So there is an error in no more the UTF-8, and there is some menu now here for the installation. It seems like getting okay. So Joomla libraries vendor typo wrapper typo 3 for stream vendor typo 3 for stream wrapper source vendor typo 3 for stream wrapper source type resource manager from PHP. Control F1 and this sheet. Okay. Replace and no more. See, because I add the resolvable and collectible here already here, because I ran it before on my regex, so I just want to demonstrate it to you. What is the power of the regex using regular expression? Maybe in the future you will encounter this type of error, not only in Joomla, in any other application program that you want to change. Okay, so we're going to type 3 source resolver. So type 3, they are not updating their resolver. Here the resolver. And what's the name? par invocation collection. Par invocation collection. Okay. Let's find it. Okay, replace. And next, no more. Okay, save. Let's save this one. And go back to Joomla. Refresh, and this one should be gone. 42. Okay. There are some which there is a question mark in front, so if you click search the whole website and change, there's a lot of error, become double question mark already in front. So source collectible, vendor type 3, for string wrapper, type 3. Type 3 for string wrapper, source collectible, so here on PHP find net place, no more. Let's go back. Par invocation resolver. Invocation resolver. The location is type 3 partition wrapper. We have to memorize. Type 3 partition wrapper source resolver. Type 3 partition wrapper source resolver. And this is the par invocation collection. So this is the resolver. No more. Save. And par invocation resolver. Resolvable.php. One. And next, no more. There are few vendors who did not upgrade their code. A lot of vendors updating their code already. So this one to go to type 3 for string wrapper source, for stream wrapper 250. This one for string wrapper. Find next is the one string replace. As you can see, there is this one. Let's see what will happen. Ampersand, then replace, and it can the ampersand because there's no, just put it back for reference, because my code is there's no, can find the art, but the replacement I did not put like that. So okay, so what else? And replace. Maybe there are some error again. Let's try. Site name, ph yourself. Okay. Teach yourself. I installed it already, but I want to show you what happened in my regex. Then set up login data. Enter the real name of your super user. So let's say super user. This is the username for your user account. Super user. So super user. Password super user 123. So rename your super user 123. But before that, you have to create a database here, okay? So Control C, CLS. We're going to log into your MySQL here. We'll give the password and create database Joomla DB, then press enter. Okay. I have already created the database. So databases. And this is it. So I have database Joomla already. Okay, use Joomla. No tables. Show tables. None. Empty tables. Okay, meaning only database name. So it will create password accepted, email address, tutorial, and set up database connection, MySQLi, localhost, enter the database username you created, root, and password, root also. It's our password, but don't show to others. They will hack you. Joomla DB and teach yourself. Teach yourself. If you teach yourself, that is the, make it small, TYS. Before server install Joomla and the installation is running. Maybe there are some error again. Installation failed. Okay, because it is failed because of the Joomla libraries vendor Algo 26. There's also again implicit IDN version deprecated. So there's an error on that panic code. Okay, so Joomla libraries vendor Algo 26 Matthias Idna convert Algo 26 Okay, so let's go and visit that one vendor. There is Joomla vendor Algo Matthias convert source and funny code interface. That one. Better to memorize. Funny code interface. Okay, let's find that one. Find. This is it. And replace. And next, no more. Control S, save. And what we're going to do now is to refresh again the installation. Refresh and teach yourself. Okay. Then set up login again. Username to save super account. Super user. Super user 123. Just make this one as SU is like in Microsoft SQL. SU, super user. Then capital super user. I have to remember this. The real name. This SU. Then let's see. User 1, 2, 3. Root. The password is root. But don't show to others. They will hack your website again. Install Joomla. And I think is this one running. So for a while, and the installation running. You will hold, huh? Okay. I will come back after finish this one. Huh? It's already blinking. Ding dong. What's going on? Okay, so I will pause for a while, then there is an error. It's okay. So it's stated here, making parameter transfer is not duplicated to vendor Joomla HTTP. Okay, vendor Joomla HTTP, line 51. Version Joomla HTTP. Where's that? Joomla libraries vendor Joomla. Okay. Joomla libraries vendor Joomla. Then it's HTTP source http.php file next, and this is the one, and replace and save. Okay, and there are two errors here: the XML set object and collection adapter line 255 and 226, 225, 226. So Joomla library source updater adapter, Joomla library source updater adapter, Joomla libraries updater. So Joomla libraries is not here, and Joomla libraries. Okay, so let's see Joomla libraries source updater adapter. So we are now in Joomla libraries source adapter. Joomla source updater adapter. Joomla library source updater TUB updater adapter, and it says collection adapter PHP, collection adapter PHP, and stated here what number 225 and 226. Okay, so Control G, 225 and 226. So meaning these are deprecated. So we are going to suppress the error message by putting at symbol. What are XML? In XML are deprecated. So don't show that problem to me. Meaning still running, but deprecated. It's okay. So we just hide that error message. Don't show me that error message again. And run my HTTP. And let's see now. Sorry, the file could not recover. I need to resolve this. Okay, what is this? HTML 938. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to try the installation again, maybe. This is a time error. Let's try this one again. And let's installation. This is my server is slow. My PC is slow. So now it's okay. Okay? So congratulations, Joomla is set already. Okay, so that's it. And try to open your site. And let's see if we have a user here. Let's try Joomla. So what you're going to do is to use Joomla DB. Show tables here. You can see there's a lot of tables created now during the installation. I didn't change to TSY, so it's KNB. There's users here. Okay, so from here you can describe it, the table. And this is the name, the table composed of username. So let's write there is a name of the user. Select asterisk. Not select name. Select name and username. Table users. So it's empty. So there's an error in our installation. And there's no users. So you can access something will do. Enter. 30-second exceeded. Okay. Let's restart the server. Start. Okay. Stop. Run. No server at all. Stop. Hold over for a while. So we start our server, and this is it. We have to start again. Okay, and then there should be a green follow, and we press here. Try to run Joomla again. Says here. Okay, so we can open the site. And open administrator in a new tab. It says here your installation folder could not be deleted. Please manually delete the folder. Okay, so we go here and delete the installation folder here. Okay, delete, hit delete, yes, and it was deleted. And let's try again if it will do the installation. I think it's finished already. Joomla 5.2.2, and in this site, administrator, and this now when you run the Joomla, it comes here to the home page. You can create your website in Joomla. Okay, so in administrator, there is Joomla administrator. And as we can see, we have issue here, and the password is 1, 2, 3. But there's no user. So this one will commit an error. Okay, so what we're going to do now, if you forgot your login details stated here, how do you recover your admin password? So there is a solution here. Method number 1, configuration PHP, download, and direct editing to database. And we're going to copy this, and put that in a notepad. Okay, so we're going to put that in a notepad. We're going to put that in a notepad. Let's see. And we're going to paste here. That's not just 31. And our database is, when we saw it is SKMB. So this one you have to change to SKMB. Okay? So find those, Control H, find those three, replace with, replace all, and this is it. So SKNB user with user ID, last insert ID is 0. Let's try, because there's no user when we query, and the password is secret. So we name this one as admin. Let's see, copy, and as you can see, there's no user. Now we're going to insert user, enter, and now there is one user, the admin. Okay, let's see, because it says that this one is secret, then later on once you log in, you change your password into a secure public, so you may be hacked if you do not change the password. See, but once you change the secret, this password is secret, and our user is admin. Okay, let's see, admin here, and the password is secret. I don't know if still this one's working. So if not working, bye bye. So it is logging in our. So that's how you install Joomla. You do not have access for administrator. So how come the admin and the secret is not working? So we will find out. So what you're going to do, like what I told you, you have to, every time you create a single website, if this is a huge company, big codes, so you join their community and support. Okay, so you have to join their community and support, and watch for their solution. Okay, so look the user group, I have received the version, and me also, I look, you see, I query, I have the administrator now, and the password is secret. But how come I not have access? So meaning this issue is or sometimes happen, or they encounter already by the users. So you do not have actual administration like Joomla. So there is here solved in version 3.2.1, but ours is 5 point something. So please read before posting. This means well, this seems to be a big issue in Joomla, but I have been struggling with the message for 2 days now. See, that's how some IT, they are struggling in 2 days. This one's 3.1, we are in 5 now. You see the date. This is 2014, now is 2025. Okay, so join. I think that is a different. So Joomla 5.5.1. Is the 2023 better, maybe version 4, now it's version 5. Yeah, create new user. Okay, so that's how you teach yourself find the solution in every problem you encounter in your life until you solve. Because this Joomla is a powerful CMS program. You can control also your website. So this is now your website. You can buy lots of template in Joomla, then you can install, and then you can set a lot of users. But what's the issue now? So I leave it to you how you solve this issue. At least we are installed the Joomla, and we have created a user based on the tutorial in create. If you forgot your password, that's what they said. Okay, so thank you very much for watching me. We will find the solution. Don't give up. Okay, so once you are reviewing, they stated here this one is in Linux, because using FTP program, you FTP your site and change the file to download the configuration PHP. So we are not doing the download because we have our own code. So meaning our configuration PHP is in our server. And let's find this in the configuration file. Because this Dreamweaver, we can FTP upload. You can put the file in your remote area. This one is download. This is we can set up this in our FTP remote view. You can compare. So this is the file, the configuration file, and we're going to find that word. Control F here. Remove this and find Control F. Control B, find this root user, and we cannot find. So meaning there is some changes now in version 5, because they are using version 4 password. This 2.5 and higher. Okay, so that's IT. Don't give up. Don't give up. Find the solution. Maybe they are now putting it here. So let's try to review. Line false. This set is down for maintenance. Tiny mice editor. Features and SQL the secret. CTP user password. Let's see. So there's no public user. This is our database. This is the database prefixes. Where is the user? This is the root user. Huh? Where's that? Can you find? Wait. I think you may find is still regex. Okay, sorry. I forgot to remove this. Find next. I found also. Roll home. Find next. Cannot find. So it cannot find. Let's try to add this line. You cannot find. You have to add. See, going to do now is to go here on top, and we're going to add that line, public root user, and we are going to put here admin, save. Okay. Later on we delete, but in our code and change your name. Okay, let's see now. We can log in. See, that's how you teach yourself. That's how I teach myself also. Okay, so exit this one, and because we have one here open. Okay, let's try to type it one. Name I put is admin, right? And secret. They put admin, yeah. Secret. And login. And I hope that public user will appear in the configuration. I hope that's the solution to our problem. We cannot see the menu inside. My PC is old. Can you see? Voila! We got it! We go. You're logged in. What is this? Welcome to Joomla. Exit. You are logging using the emergency root user setting configuration. You should remove root user from the configuration. Control your site to avoid future security breaches. Okay, so this is the site, the article, the class. Okay, study Joomla class, and I hope you enjoy our tutorial. And that's how. But we are going to manage users and group, because this is for the company. You can control your website. You can this page can access only by this group. This page can access only by this group. This group can add on this. This is a very powerful, same as the Joomla. They control their website. Many people are controlling it by departments. Okay, so that's it's nice to learn this. You can try to learn. You can manage the groups, people. You can give access to. You can add the user, the website. You can add users here. Okay, just review it, but now we're going to, we can find a way how to add that administrator here and remove that. Just when you click user here, plus, let's wait. Okay, when we click add user here, it says we want to increase the compatibility of Joomla with our user service. Therefore, we need to analyze data to understand. Enable Joomla statistics. Yes, I have Joomla. You can click that one, and now it says here account details. Okay, so let's see here, Chando, and we name him Chan, and the password is also Jan. Okay. Passport. John later on John Doe. There is asterisk meaning this valid, this password not valid. John 1 2 3 John 1 2 3 not valid also. Should be 12. John 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 email john@gmail.com. So we have the username John here. Okay, so receive system email, required password, yes, user status, enable, user status, assign user groups, so many. Okay, so you can assign a user group as administrator. Your other are auto, the other editor. So let's try John as administrator and let's save this and we're going to edit our configuration and remove this admin here, delete. Okay, so save and let's try to log out. Let's see if John is become the administrator. Okay, so let's go back to administrator login and let's type here John and John 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 log in and John we should become the administrator now. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for joining me in the trials of life in reviewing and controlling and looking for the solution in installing something. This is a very good this is a nice website controller. Famous. I review that and you will be amazed on all this PHP program. WordPress also, Laravel, there is Joomla, Code Igniter. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye. And if you find my website useful, please subscribe because you are doing the